Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Palantir Technologies. Palantir Technologies is at an inflection zone. It is important to watch the key levels today. The stock is dropped by 0.6% and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is below the 9 and 50-day EMAs, but still above the 200-day EMA. The long-term floor holds, while short and medium-term pressure persists. There is a downward gap between $195.70 and $201.82 that remains unfilled. A move to close this gap would mean about a 30.3% rise from here. Price has slipped below the rising trend line near 178.25. On rebounds, price may face resistance near 154.92. A falling short-term regression channel is capping price near 194.85. As long as price stays below this short-term resistance, downside pressure dominates. A decisive daily close above this line would be the first warning that the short-term downtrend is starting to lose control. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $185.75. Price has already reached its long-term objective once and is now in a pullback phase. If the bounce from the 38% retracement holds, the upside path to monitor is $184.70. Long-term target, then $221.34, 1.618 extension, then $280.63, 2.618 extension. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with 3 of 4 confirmations in place: downtrend break, prior high cleared, and EMA 50 reclaimed. Volume above 120% of the 20-day average still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 24 to 44 sessions, or roughly 6.8 weeks. Invalidation sits near $147.56 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between April 10 and May 21st, the price saw an increase of around 36.1%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 78%/160.39 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 170.46 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 223.83, Fib 1.27, and then 244.58, Fib 1.62. Looking at Palantir Technologies today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 33.9, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is starting to expand. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $186. If price manages to close above $186 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation-type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $148, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. After reaching the measured objective, price is in a pullback phase and working through a retracement area. If buyers manage to defend the retracement zone, an upside path to monitor is $185, long-term target, $221, 1.618 extension, $281, 2.618 extension. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $156, support near $153, a midterm target around $186. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for Palantir Technologies. The most recent headline is AI analyst downgrades Palantir stock PLTR to hold and trims price target to $188. That wraps up this technical analysis on Palantir Technologies. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.